So Doogee would launch the Pro version of the Doogee S118 in 2025. The device would most likely launch in January, probably the first week or the second week of January, but currently I don't know its official release date, but it's likely going to launch in early January. The device is a significant upgrade over the S118, and of course it supports 5G connectivity, which is impressive. The device is also going to be very affordable, just like previous mid-range devices from Doogee, and I'll compare the specs of the Doogee S118 Pro with the Doogee S118 to point out the differences and similarities between both rugged beasts. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore the top details of the Doogee S118 Pro.
Sporting a striking cornelian red or a sleek lunar silver, the Doogee S118 Pro looks as good as it performs. Under the hood, you've got a Dimensity 7050 octa-core processor, translation smooth multitasking and top-tier app performance, and with a 6.6-inch FHD plus IPS display at 120 Hz, your visuals are not just stunning, they're buttery smooth. Photography fans rejoice. The 108MP AI main camera captures every detail, while the 20MP night vision camera makes low-light challenges a thing of the past. Add an 8MP wide-angle and macro lens, and you're ready for anything from sprawling landscapes to intricate close-ups. Plus, 4K video with EIS means your videos are stable and professional quality. Need space? With 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB, you'll never run out of room. And the 10,800 mAh battery, it keeps going, just like you, with fast 33W charging to minimize downtime. Running on Android 14, the S118 Pro offers the latest features and a smooth experience. 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, it's all here for blazing fast speeds and reliable connections. Built tough with IP68, IP69K, and MILS TD810H certifications. This phone is ready for any adventure, and with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock, your security is always top-notch. The Doogee S118 Pro, rugged, powerful, and ready for anything. Are you?